Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with the essentials. Plug the iPhone 3 into power and charge it until at least 20%. Once done, press and hold the sleep/wake button on top until the Apple logo appears. This boots the device. Make sure to swipe the screen to begin setup and pick your language and country. This sets regional settings and keyboard defaults. You'll then be prompted to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Do that now so the phone can activate and fetch necessary updates. You should now configure core settings so the phone works with your accounts. First, join the Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Apple ID. If you skip, you can add it later, but features like App Store require it. Next, enable location services and set date/time automatically to avoid sync errors. Then open settings to add mail, contacts, and calendar accounts. Make sure push or fetch intervals match your needs. Finally, check cellular settings and enable data if you have a carrier plan. Now you're ready to use apps and customize the home screen. Open the App Store, download or update core apps, and arrange icons by pressing and holding until they jiggle, drag to reorder. For camera, swipe to open quickly. For calls, use the phone app. If an app freezes, force close it by double pressing home and swiping up, or restart the phone by holding sleep/wake. If connectivity fails, reset network settings. Only choose factory reset after backing up to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.